Police across several municipalities are reporting car break-ins, which they believe are connected. But police say doorbell cameras, which often help in their investigation, have been rendered ineffective. Chris Hoffman explains how suspects are disabling the recordings.
Many doorbell cameras, like what you're watching me through right now, work off of Wi-Fi. But according to police, suspects may be using jammers. And that pretty much makes this not able to see anything. Oakdale police say over the past few days there have been numerous car break-ins. This has led to things being stolen. Nearby in McDonald, they've had the same problem.
We constantly get this where people leave their wallet or their gun in the vehicle and then they end up getting stolen, especially the guns, and they're recovered, somewhere used in a crime of violence.
They had a situation where an unlocked car had 2 sets of keys in it. That car and another car were both stolen.
One car was recovered in Canonsburg, and another car was recovered in Menneson.
A third car was found Monday. Officers believe these are connected. Now, in a Facebook post, Oakdale police are warning people that suspects are carrying cheap jamming devices to make your doorbell camera not work. Investigators are trying to remind people that these are crimes of opportunity. So doorbell cameras or not, you should always lock your doors. Don't leave valuables in a car and park in well-lit areas.
So even if they somehow jam your camera, it's still in the light, and maybe somebody else's camera across the street could be working. So
what you can do to protect these from jammers is have a SD card backup or use ones that have an Ethernet connection so they're not reliant on your Wi-Fi. Chris Hoffman, KDKA News.